Kia ora, I'm Kiritahi Firmin. I was raised at Kaiwaiki Marae, schooled at Upoko and Sacred Heart College. I'm a businesswoman, a mother and a devoted grandmother. There are 3 challenges and opportunities I want to focus on with you when you vote me in. First, let's honour the Treaty of Waitangi and all its principles. This means that as a collective we must all vote to keep our Māori wards in place. It's the right thing to do. Like our rural community boards, our rural communities said we needed representation. And so do Māori. Second, let's build a warm and affordable brand new set of homes for our young families, our elderly, our rural communities and our new residents. And third, let's protect our awatupua, our river, by improving the water quality so our river flourishes and thrives. And so give me your vote for the Rural Community Board and the Māori Ward. And don't forget, check that you are on the roll. Kia ora.